Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I'm going to take you in and show you how to clear off any missed calls or calls you've previously made so you start from scratch. So stay tuned for this video. Okay, so what you want to do is sign into your phone, and then you want to go find the green app that looks like a phone. Mine's down on the dock, second one in with the number 3 on the top, so you're going to click on it. And here we go in here, and we have a bunch of calls that I made, and some are missed calls. And so this is very simple, how you can just come right in here, and we're going to clear this list out. At the top you got all and you got missed calls, so we're just going to keep on all, and then we're going to go up to the far right corner and we're going to click on edit, and you'll see a bunch of circles, red circles with white lines in it. You can click on that will delete it individually, or you can go up to the top left corner where it says clear, which we're going to do. And we're going to click on clear, and this will clear all this list out. So just let's do that. So go up to the top left corner and click on clear, and upcoming menu, and it says clear all recents, and that's what you want to do. So let's just click on clear all recents, and recents, no recents. And that is how easy it is to come into your phone, go into the phone app, and go up to edit and clear all your recent phone calls and missed calls. So there it is. That's as simple as that. I hope you found this video informative and you learned something new. Continue on with your learning, and thanks for watching this video. Until the next one. Thanks. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified, and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. After watching the video, scroll down and you'll see the thumbs up. Just click on the thumbs up and let us know that you liked the video. And if you want more information on GIT Get Into Technology, you can click on more, and you can scroll down here. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you continue on. Please leave us a comment on what you thought about the video, how it helped you move forward, and what problem it solved. And you can just left click and then type your message in here and come over to the far right side and click on comment. If you have any questions regarding what you watched today, or you need help with something, please leave a question inside the comment section and we will answer it for you. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology. Remember to subscribe to GIT Get Into Technology and click the bell notification down below the red arrow on the right hand side, and make sure the lines are above the bell, and that will notify you of any new videos coming out and keep you up to date. And click above to watch the latest video. Thanks for watching.